Good morning, everybody. If you don't know who I am, my name is CJ Fox here. Welcome back to my another today's video here. Before we get into today's video here, have you guys start your hands check up? You don't? Let's do it together. Cut off. 3, 2, 1. Boom, boom. Aye. Let's wipe to another today's video. Wow, that was fast. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notification button to notify all my videos coming. So yeah, good morning everybody. So I had to get my work done today just because I'm gonna be on call with my brother Nick. We'll be calling us or we call him until 5 o'clock tonight. Not AM, PM. That's way later. So I had to get that done today. And don't forget I had to spend time with DJK until 8 till 10. Now on to don't forget. So yeah, so let's stay focused for right now. I have to go walk. Before I go walk, I can go walk with it on. Not to worry, I will do is drop change for into pajamas to exercise clothes. So let's get to the drop change. 3, 2, 1. Bullseye. Okay, everybody, I am back in my exercise clothes now, and now it's time for me to go walk. Oh, wait a minute. I cannot go walk just yet. I have to get my medication for my arm and get my breakfast. I cannot leave my arm unentertained and my stomach lost its appetite, so I don't want to do that. So I have to take care of those two before I go walk. So yeah, I have to get my medication for my arm first, then breakfast. So I will see you guys on a time lapse. So let's get to the time lapse. Hey everybody, I just got done with my medication for my arm, a breakfast, and it's done. I got all 3 stuff done from in the morning only, not afternoon. That's bad. Anyways, so I have to go on walk. I have to do that right now. I've been wasting my time with shoveling and get the tree down, so I haven't started my walk yet, so I have to do it now. So I will see you guys when I'm not sure what I'm saying, hold on. I will see you guys when I'm done with my walk. Peace.
15 minutes later.
Hey everybody, I just got home from my walk not too long ago, and now it's time for me to take a shower. Before I take a shower, I need to do is drop change into exercise clothes to pajamas. So let's get to the drop change. 3, 2, 1. Bullseye. Hey everybody, I am back in my pajamas now, and now it's time for me to have lunch. Oh wait a minute, it's not even this close to lunch yet. So I gotta wait till 3 o'clock, then I'll be ready to have lunch. So see you guys until 3 o'clock. Peace.
Later.
Okay everybody, it is already 3 o'clock now, and now it's time for me to have lunch. So let's get to the time lapse. Hey, but yeah, I just got done with my lunch just a minute ago, and now it's time for me to wrap up today's vlog here, so let's get into it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, have a great rest of the night on Sunday. See you guys on Monday's vlog. Make sure you subscribe to the links down below. Make sure you follow us on TikTok, someone new, and don't forget, make sure you subscribe to Squad family, and others too. Send them love and support. And don't forget, make sure you subscribe to those YouTube channels, that is, the DJK's channels, my channels, and Gyro's channels. Send them love and support as well. So yeah, have a good day everyone. Now guys, peace out, and don't forget, never grow up, and don't forget, stay royalty. We out. See you on Monday's vlog. Peace.